what's up guys? Today in this video we'll study about subtraction of fractions. To understand the concept in proper way, we'll study two cases. Now here we'll study two cases same as addition. First case is when denominators are equal and the next case is when denominators are not equal. We'll study both of these cases one by one. So here we have our first case when denominators are equal. So first of all we have to check denominators. Here we have fraction 2 by 3 and here we have 1 by 3. In both of these fractions we have denominator 3, which means we have equal denominator. So what to do? Take this denominator as it is 3. Now we have to subtract the numerator as their sign of subtraction, or we have to subtract. And we know 2 minus 1 is 1 and denominator as it is, so the final answer is 1 by 3. This is same as addition, बस the difference is of sign. वहाँ पे क्या करना होता है, हमें add करना होता है, and in this we have to subtract. I will give you full link of playlist of fractions in description box. You can check there addition also. So our first case is very easy. Here we have to subtract 9 by 5 from 7 by 2. What is our first task? First of all, we have to check denominators. Here denominator is 2 and here denominator is 5. Both the denominators are unequal. So to reduce this into first case, what we have to do? We have to equate denominators. And how to equate denominators? By taking LCM. So take LCM of 2 and 5. We know 2 and 5 both are co-prime numbers. So their LCM must be their product. So LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. Now what we have to do? We have to make their denominator equal. So 7 by 2 multiply by 5, which means we have to multiply numerator and denominator of 7 by 2 by 5 to make it 10. When we multiply 5 by 2 we get 10, and when we multiply 7 by 5 we get 35. Again we have 9 by 5. Again we have to make denominator equals to 10, 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are 18. Now we have two fractions, 35 by 10 and 18 by 10. Both of these have equal denominator as 10. Now we have 35 by 10 and 18 by 10. Now this is our first case where we have denominators equal. So take denominator as 10 and subtract simply numerator 35 and we get 17 by 10. Now this is improper fraction and we can convert improper fraction into mixed one. So 17 by 10 be converted into 7 by 10, and this one is our final answer. Now let's study our shortcut method. Here what we have to do, first of all we have to take LCM of 7 and 11. Okay, so we know LCM of 7 and 11 is 77, as LCM be product of both of these numbers. So write 77 as denominator. Next task is first of all division, then multiplication. So firstly we divide this denominator by denominator of our respective fraction. Here the denominator is 7, so divide 77 by 7, and by dividing 77 by 7 we get 11. Now multiply this 11 by numerator, and numerator is 3, and we know 11 3s are 33. After that we have sign of subtraction. Now again divide 77 by 11, we get 7. After that we have to multiply that quotient with numerator. So 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Now simply subtract 14 from 33. And we get 19 by 77, and this is proper fraction, so no need to convert in mixed one, and this one is our final answer. In this way you can solve sums of subtraction in which we have to subtract fractions. Okay, so if you like this video then share it and subscribe it. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Telegram for all updates. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.